Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to day two. Day two of 25 days of tips and tricks and those types of things for mental health. I'm pretty excited about being able to do this kind of thing for you guys. I sure love you guys. But I want to make sure that you guys know that the month of December, being Christmas month and all of those things, that you are loved and that you are cared for. Those are important. So that's why we decided we would do 25 days for each and every one of you. All right. So like I said, we're on day two of the 25 days of tips and tricks for mental health. Today on day two, we're asking you guys if you would be interested in trying to write a simple note of thankfulness to someone you haven't before. That one can be a tough one. Now, remember, this can be like somebody in your friends group or your family or whatever, but you know what? You can also write a letter of gratitude to somebody that maybe has passed on or any of those things too, because you know what? Mostly this is for you, to help you to be propelled into the next place. You could also write it to yourself if you want to, because you know, sometimes we need to be able to know that we can be grateful to ourselves as well, because we do amazing things for ourselves and for other people and stuff like that. So that's okay too. All right. So like I said, day two, write a simple note of thankfulness to someone you haven't before. Kind words are like honey. They cheer you up and make you feel strong. And that comes from Proverbs 16:24. So what we're saying is, maybe have yourself look around. Chances are, even in the darkest of times, you have much to be thankful for. And I know that this is difficult sometimes for some people, but you know, if we just really take that opportunity to just look around and see the things that we can be thankful for, I think that that is important. Often, even in spite of the fact that we don't deserve any of them, and the gifts can come in all sorts of ways, that's how we can just look for the thankfulness, the gifts, the wonderful things, like I had said before, things that we are grateful for. One of the most significant, however, is through the people in our lives. So the most significant gifts, the most wonderful gifts, the loving things and stuff like that are often given to us through the people in our lives. Often in our prayers, we thank God for family and friends, health, work, safety, and security. We thank Him for eternal life and that He called us into His family. But how about if we look a little deeper? Do we thank Him even for those far from God, or for those we don't know well? We should be. We should be thanking Him for all of those things. For the checkout clerk, the woman who waves a happy hello each morning while she walks her dog, and the mailman who delivers packages, rain or shine. What about the teacher who made our daughter or our son smile? You know, there's all kinds of things that we can do. And we've often said many times that, you know what, a smile is free, or being kind is free. Those are things that we can do to love on others and just share a little bit of love. You know, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but so far, the stuff that we've been sharing is about loving other people and loving ourselves. So, you know, it is important for us to just take a little bit of time to just love on others, or love ourselves, or however that you need to look at it. Because maybe for you, like I said before, maybe the biggest thing is that you need to share with yourself a little bit of love. Just telling yourself that you are important, that God has made you, and that you are a gift. Those are important things. So take the time today to just look at yourself if you need to, or look at others, find love, find the way that you can write a simple note of thankfulness to someone you haven't ever before, and that includes yourself if that's what you need to do. We love you guys. So thanks for joining us for day 2. See you tomorrow.